Alright, this is what we got going so far. Headlights are out. Obviously the whole entire front end is out. Right over here, yeah, we got the front clip with the radiator and the fans, and there's the bash bar. And what we got going over here, just took the battery out, just right here. I had a bunch of oil spilling last night, but we got that all sorted out now. We did a air conditioning or AC delete, so we just removed it because we didn't need to save it because it barely worked either way. And that's also part of that AC down there. And then this is the SAI unit, if I am not mistaken. So it goes all the way up here, and just a bunch of useless hoses that you don't need. And since I'm shaving the bay, might as well just get rid of it. So I'm gonna be doing the SAI delete. It's probably the next thing I'm gonna be doing. And then hopefully in a couple days I'll be able to take off all the hoses and then pull out the motor, and then we can start buying all the parts. And I'm waiting to buy the parts just to make sure that nothing internally with the motor is wrong, because I did have some metal shavings in the cylinders and near the cams. So worst comes to worst, I'll just get a new block and a new head. It's no big deal, they're not too expensive. But she's looking good right now. Other plans is new coolant reservoir. I don't really like the ball. And get rid of the windshield wiper fluid. And yeah, so I gotta clean her up a little bit. We'll see how that goes. So yeah, this is where I am right now. And then I'll probably be doing the SAI delete. Probably be the next clip that you see. Alright, so in the last clip you saw, I got the first part of the SAI out. Hold on here. There we go. And so here is the SAI, I guess you could say compressor holder. And that's just a big annoying piece. This big loop here. I'm just trying to get that out there. Hey guys, I just got home about an hour ago. I just have an update for you guys. I got some air tools at Harbor Freight. I got this air wrench, and then I got an air compressor as well. Also, I got this engine mount stand type of thing at Harbor Freight. I just built it up. I mean, it was like $50. I think it's like half ton, or 750 pounds is more than enough for this engine. It's just a 1.8. And so I'll just give you a quick little update on here. Don't mind that, just took off the fender because I don't want to scratch it at all. And we have the battery out, the intercooler's out, the whole front support's out, as well as the radiators. I started disconnecting a bunch of hoses here. AC, we did an AC delete. So as I said, intercooler piping's off back there and up here by the throttle body. It was just a stock intercooler. I have an aftermarket one, but I had some issues with it, like leaks. So I'll be getting a new from an intercooler. I started PB blasting, which is like crazy WD-40. I started putting that on all the engine mounts, and there's a couple more behind here. And I actually also put some PB blaster on the transmission bolts, because I might take the transmission off apart from the motor. So we'll see, it's just a precautionary step there. And yeah, so this is what she's looking like right now. Nothing crazy, but tonight, hopefully, we will be taking out the motor with my friends that you see in the other clips as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that.